Hi, in this video I will show you how to turn off Snapchat phone contact synchronization. So if your contacts is synchronized with your Snapchat, you can simply turn it off by following this procedure. So first of all, open your Snapchat mobile application and you have to click on the chats, and now you have to click on your profile icon from the left top. Once you will do it, you have to go to the settings from the right top, tap on it and now scroll up, and you have to search for the contact synchronization. So here is the contact synchronization. Tap on it and untick this and click on the confirm. So once you will do it, now your synchronization of the contact with your Snapchat is turned off. So this is the way to turn off your contact synchronization with the Snapchat. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.